We're back on the Landau. It's been a long time between updates. People have probably been wondering if I had died, but I've been very, very busy. Life has a fantastic way of getting in the way, and obviously work and stuff like that, whereas I've had to do a few cars in between, and I picked up another toy for myself because, I mean, what's better than one long-term project? Two! So now I've got an EJ Holden and an XY Ute that are both mine. But yes, we're back into this. I didn't worry about taking this out too properly. I just wanted to take it out quickly. So, quick cut with the oxy. And you might wonder why didn't I drill out the spot welds? Because, one, you can't really drill spot welds out when it's rusty. The spot weld drill bits don't tend to like it. And I'm going to be replacing all three of those sections anyway, so that piece will fall off with when I put the new piece in, basically. And we're talking, she's not too happy, but we have a new, it's not brilliant, but there's a rare spares piece. I mean, at the moment it will require a little bit of tweaking. Obviously that's going to actually fit behind it. But you get the general idea. So let's crack on. Alright, so now we're back. This is what we were aiming for. We've just had a piece folded up, welded in. The piece on the inside is now gone. And basically we're going to do that here, here, and here. And then we can clean up the other piece and stick it in. And there we go, exactly how I said. We've replaced this, and this. Do ignore this. Obviously, you can tell we're working our way up there, so it's as you go. But yes, now we can whittle down the rare spares piece and put that in. And I'll re-braze up all these corners that were brazed before, because I do have the ability to do that. And it should look nice. And now we're about to weld this all in, and don't worry about stuff like that or like that, because we're not finished yet. This video is mainly due to just giving everybody an idea on how to do the boot channels. There's many different ways to do it, and I'm sure there's plenty of people out there who have their own ideas, and I'm sure there's plenty of people who would make me look like a rank amateur. This is just here to help the people doing this stuff in their own backyards and their own garages and stuff, the home handyman stuff. This is just a little helpful hint, and it's not a bad way to do it, it's just another way to do it. It's certainly not the worst way to do it. But I hope these videos give you ideas, inspire you to do more, and ideally like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.